how to turn on or turn off delete slide to tap by word on iPhone 12. So if your iPhone 12 is running on the latest iOS 18, then you have access to a feature called delete slide by word or delete slide to type by word. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to disable or enable delete slide to type by word on iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone, and on settings page, scroll down and click on general. Once you selected general, you want to hang on, scroll down and click on keyboard. Under the keyboard, scroll down the page, just keep scrolling until you see delete slide to type by word. If this is green, that shows it is enabled, and if it is grayed out, that shows it is disabled. So if you want to enable it, just go ahead and turn the gray button to green button by clicking on it once. And if you want to disable it, just go ahead and turn the green button to gray button by clicking on it once, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to enable or disable delete slide to tag by words on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.